Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, we're going to talk about 8 ways to make money from home as a virtual assistant. And before I get any further, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It'll mean the world to me, and I'd love to have you back if you are a new virtual assistant or been a virtual assistant for a while. And I also do tech tutorials to help you with your virtual assistant business. So how can you make money as a virtual assistant? That's what I want to talk to you about today, because there are 8 different ways that I've discovered that will help you make money right now. And money sounds good, doesn't it? For me, we can't say no to making more money. So I want to talk about the 8 different ways. So the first way is doing project-based work. Trade your skills for an hourly rate, project rate, or a monthly retainer. So this can be anything from writing, editing, managing someone's calendar, to managing a blog. If you do SEO work, if you're into Pinterest or managing a YouTube channel, there's so many different things that you can do, and just package it in those 3 different ways that you can charge your client. The second way is consulting. So with consulting, you can offer a call with customized solutions for your client, and you can meet with them for an hour or 2 hours, 3 hours. That time is totally up to you and how long you want it to be. And then you can send them a replay of the call if you do it on Zoom. And you can also include some valuable templates for free to make that time with you worth the investment. And number 3 is VIP days or a day rate. So with this option, you want to charge at least 2 to 3 times more your normal rate and do the project in a day as your sole focus. So maybe you are setting up, a Dubsado account, or setting up Asana, something that's, it takes time, but you do it once and then you're set. So that's something that you can consider. And this is maybe something that you do on the weekend, if you want to work every other weekend, or you have like a certain day that you want to set aside for this. That's also a great option. And option number 4 is you can create your own group programs where you help people in your industry. So maybe you want to help, if you're in Pinterest VA, maybe you want to help other people become Pinterest managers and teach them all the back end information that they need to know to make Pinterest work for their clients and for themselves, so that they can be seen as a thought leader in that niche. And option number 5 is one-time projects. So like I mentioned before, you can set up systems for a one-time fee. So as I mentioned, you can set up Dubsado, can never pronounce that right, Asana. You can do, set up someone's back end of their website with Yoast, for example. That's an SEO plugin. You can maybe sit down and do the whole process of, writing content for something specific, such as like a landing page or an ebook, something along those lines. Number 6 is creating a course, so you can share your knowledge through a paid online course. So this would go hand in hand with your group program, or you can do it separately. It's all up to you. So you can package your skills and your knowledge into a course and charge for it. So this could range anything from, $27, $47, $97, $200, $500, a couple $1,000. It just depends on how big this course is, the value that you'll be giving, and what's included in this course. Number 7 is one-on-one mentoring, which again can be paired with your course or your group program. And so you can help others who have been in your situation with one-on-one support. And this is great, especially if you're a newer entrepreneur, newer on the online space, and you need support and you need help understanding, why things maybe didn't go the way that you thought. And if you love talking on the phone and having close one-on-one relationships, this would be a great option for you. And the last option that I want to talk about is an agency. So you can have an agency-based business model, and you can build a team to help you with your workload. So you could, for example, be the one that brings in the clients, and then you have maybe a project manager, and then other people that come in and do the project-based work. So you do have to take in account that you have to find and hire these people, and that takes time to find good help, but it is possible and you can make a good amount of money. But you also have to take into consideration when you're charging to think about the expense of paying someone to help you with this work. So that's all I have for you on the 8 different ways to make money as a virtual assistant, and I hope that you found this video very helpful, and I'm so grateful that you were here with me today. And please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week with another video on being a virtual assistant. And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.